So we've been experimenting with the bedroom carbon dioxide level situation with the Aranet4, and I think I figured out what the issue was. It seems that the building's central air conditioning is the culprit. To get that measurement, I uninstalled the vent grating and ran the AC with my monitor up there. How my central air works is that it pulls air in from the bottom grates here, and then pulls it up through the filter here. I bent the air filter that I have in here out of the way so that you can see how it pulls air in, pushes it up, and then distributes it through the rest of the house through this. Which is interesting because I'm used to having the outside unit be what draws the air in from the outside, but what I have is a different setup for a centralized air system. However, I wanted to make sure that that was indeed the issue, so that was on a list of things that I was testing. First, since we're on a busy street, I wanted to see if any pollution was coming in from the cars passing by outside causing the issues. And it's hovering around 500 parts per million to about 600 parts per million. That's the green dotted line here. That's the outside air measured directly from the bedroom window. And I have 3 nights here where I know that the AC was on and it's very consistent. So I'm guessing this first night's reading, I must have just forgot to turn the AC on that night. So tonight we're not going to run the AC at all and see if we can replicate this curve right here. As carbon dioxide is denser than oxygen, it settles towards the ground. So in theory, the grates down here could be pulling in dense exhaled carbon dioxide from the environment in our house and then just redistributing it throughout the house. And like I showed you, I only put my monitor up there for about 3 hours and it got to spike around 3,000. So I quickly stopped that. So in older houses or apartments, this is a duplex, but in older places, maybe be careful of your air conditioning because that could be a source of high carbon dioxide.